Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a new topic that is the ray of hope for COVID-19 called plasma therapy. Across the globe, scientists are racing to develop antibodies for the new coronavirus, which began infecting humans late last years. Scientists and researchers are exploring various avenues to come up with medical treatments that can fight the novel coronavirus. One such treatment that is in focus right now is convalescent plasma therapy. Plasma therapy's potential as treatment for COVID 19 has already been explored in limited trial in China, where the outbreak first emerged. In one trial, 10 critically ill COVID 19 patients were subject to convalescent plasma therapy. The trial showed some improvement in patients' condition. These studies have sparked a ray of hope. However, researchers caution that it's too early of plasma therapy as an effective treatment. For example, the sample sizes in the COVID-19 plasma therapy trials are too small to arrive at definite conclusions. Before going to plasma therapy, first let's talk about what is plasma and antigen antibody immune system. So, plasma is the largest part of our blood. It makes up more than half of its overall content. When separated from the rest of the blood, plasma is a light yellow liquid. Plasma carries water, salts, and enzymes. The main role of plasma is to take nutrients, hormones, and proteins to the parts of the body that need it. Cells also put their waste products into the plasma. The plasma then helps remove these waste from the body. Blood plasma also carries all parts of the blood through our circulatory system. Next, come to the point that what is antigen and antibody. Antigens are molecules that capable of stimulating an immune response. Each antigen has distinct surface features or epitopes, resulting in specific responses. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins produced by B cells of the immune system in response to exposure to antigens. Each antibody contains a paratope which recognizes a specific epitope on an antigen, acting like a lock and key binding mechanism. This binding helps to eliminate antigens from the body, either by direct neutralization or by tagging for other arms of the immune system. Next, come to the point that what is convalescent plasma therapy. The convalescent plasma therapy aims at using antibodies from the blood of a recovered COVID 19 patient to treat those critically affected by the virus. The therapy can also be used to immunize those at a high risk of contracting the virus, such as health workers, families of patients, and other high risk contacts. This therapy's concept is simple and is based on the premise that the blood of a patient who has recovered from COVID 19 contains antibodies with the specific ability of fighting novel coronavirus. The therapy is that the recovered patient's antibodies, once ingested into somebody under treatment, will begin targeting and fighting the novel coronavirus in the second patient. But remind that the convalescent plasma therapy is akin to passive immunization, as according to researchers, it is a preventive measure and not a treatment for the COVID 19 disease. Then, how convalescent plasma therapy works? This therapy uses antibodies developed within an infected person while he or she is infected with the novel coronavirus. These antibodies are developed in a patient such as a part of the body's natural immune response to a foreign pathogens, or in this case the novel coronavirus. These antibodies are highly specific to the invading pathogen and so work to eliminate the novel coronavirus from the patient's body. Once the patient has recovered, they donate their blood so that their antibodies can be used to treat other patients. The donated blood is then checked for the presence of any other disease causing agents such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and many other diseases. If deemed safe, the blood is then taken through a process to extract plasma, the liquid part of the blood that contains antibodies. The antibody-rich plasma, once extracted, is then ingested into the body of a patient under treatment. But in this case, there is also risk involved. Besides speaking about the success of the convalescent plasma therapy, the study by many immunologists that some of the risk associated with it. First, that is transfer of blood substances. As the blood transfusion takes place, there are risks that an inadvertent infection might get transferred to the patient. Second one is enhancement of infection. The therapy might fail for some patients and can result in an enhanced form of the infections. Third one is effect on immune system. The antibody administration may end up suppressing the body's natural immune response, leaving a COVID-19 patient vulnerable to subsequent reinfections. So today I am stopping here. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.